Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game keeps crashing on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 keeps crashing on PS5 easily. So first off, you're going to go to your games menu and then you're going to click onto the options button on your controller on Mortal Shell 2, and now you're going to look for any update. So click on check for update. If there are any new updates, then it will update your game. After you're done with that, now you're going to go into your settings menu here, and once you're in your settings menu, now you're going to go into users and accounts here, and then you're going to go into other, and now you're going to go into restore licenses. After you're here, now you're going to find Mortal Shell into this games list, and then you're just going to click restore license on it. Once you do that, it's going to take a couple of seconds for it. Once it's done with that, now you're going to go ahead and restart your PlayStation 5. So turn it off and then wait for a minute or two. After that, you can turn it back on again. And now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game. And you'll see that your game will most definitely work now. It will not crash anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.